Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off auto scroll on X, that is Twitter. First thing you do is open up your Twitter app. Then the next thing you do, you click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then click on settings and privacy. Next, click on privacy and safety. Click on accessibility. It's not here, so we go back to accessibility from let's do it again. From the home menu, click on your profile icon at the top left corner, at the top left corner, click on settings and privacy, scroll down to accessibility, display and languages, and then click on data usage, scroll down to video autoplay and turn it off by tapping on never. So you've basically turned off auto scroll. By turning off video autoplay, you've turned off auto scroll. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put off every day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.